Hi everyone, I'm Rocky and I'm back with the another question of chapter number 10, S block elements, class 11, NCERT. In this video, I will be explaining the question number 28 and it's on again page number 306. So, first of all, let's have a look on the question and then I will give you the solution regarding it. Fine. Question is, write balanced equation for reaction between number A, Na2O2, sodium peroxide and water, KO2, potassium oxide and water and sodium oxide and carbon dioxide. Fine. So these are three reactions which I have to show you in the balanced equation. Fine. So let's begin with the first part of this question. Sodium peroxide and water. A sodium peroxide Na2O2 plus what? Twice of H2O. It is in the solid state. It is in the liquid state. And what we will get? We will be getting twice of NaOH plus H2O2. Both are in the aqueous state. Okay? So this is the first reaction for the first part of this question. Coming to the second part of the question. KO2, twice of KO2 plus twice of H2O. It is in the solid state, it is in the liquid state, or just heat up करेंगे twice of KOH, which is in the aqueous state, then H2O2, which is also in the aqueous state, plus oxygen, which will be in the gaseous state. So this is the second part of the question, and this reaction, this is the balanced chemical reaction for the second part of the question. Coming to the third part of the question, Na2O plus carbon dioxide. So when sodium oxide reacts with carbon dioxide, what happens? Let's see. Na2O plus carbon dioxide, what it forms is Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Fine. So these are the three balanced equations for the reactions between sodium peroxide and water, potassium oxide and water, and sodium oxide and carbon dioxide. I hope these three reactions are very much clear to you all. There shouldn't be any doubt regarding these of the three reactions. Well, if anybody is having any doubt regarding them, then please do ask your doubts in the space given below. Fine. Do not forget to watch the next question of this chapter. That means do not forget to watch the next video for the next question of this chapter. Do subscribe to us. Well, this brings me to the end of the session and it's me, Rocky, signing off for now. Take care and goodbye.